In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning design thumbnail using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to make captivating visuals that will grab attention and enhance your projects. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, no worries. It only takes a moment to sign up using your email or through one of your social media accounts. Once you're logged in, we're ready to start creating. Begin by selecting Create a Design. Here you can choose from a wide variety of templates, but for today, we're focusing on thumbnails, so make sure to select the size that works best for your needs. Next, on the left side menu, you'll see the Uploads tab. This is your gateway to uploading your own images to Canva. Take a moment to upload a picture you'd like to feature in your thumbnail. The process is straightforward. Just drag and drop your file, and once uploaded, click to select it. This image is now ready to be incorporated into your design. Adjusting the positioning of your image is essential to fit your overall composition. You can easily drag your image around the canvas until you're satisfied with its placement. For a more polished look, we're going to use the BG Remover. You'll find this tool at the top floating toolbar. A single click will get rid of the background, leaving just the main subject of your image, putting it front and center. Now let's add some drama using Canva's effects. Beside the BG Remover, you'll find the Edit option. Click on this and scroll down to the Effects section, where you'll see the option for Shadows. Select Shadows and then Outline. This feature will help your image pop against any background. Adjust the outline size with the slider until it complements your design. A subtle outline often works well, but feel free to experiment to see what looks best. Afterwards, set the outline color to white. This color often provides a clean and modern contrast, especially if your image has a variety of colors. Lastly, let's turn up the intensity for a bolder effect. Increase the intensity to 100 to ensure your image stands out. Remember, repositioning and resizing your image at this stage can further enhance the visual impact if needed. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created an engaging design thumbnail in Canva. Feel free to explore all the tools Canva offers, and with practice, you'll make eye-catching designs in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!